Let me tell you about Bianca and Dr. Byron Cole. Their courses are game changers. They are accomplished authors themselves and incredible, amazing mentors who truly understand the ins and outs of the publishing industry, both traditionally and self-publishing. And their courses are the compass that can lead you to fulfilling your dreams to become a traditionally published author, and with a great and reputable publishing house. They take time to impart with their wisdom, and they're incredible in helping you prepare your proposal, especially for non-fiction books. And through practical exercises and invaluable tips, they help you and guide you with the approach you should take with publishers and editors. Both Bianca and Dr. Byron Cole's guidance helps you leverage your social media and engagement with your audience. And they are amazing. Their insight and knowledge is invaluable. Honestly, it's just phenomenal. So thank you, Bianca. Thank you, Dr. Byron Cole, for your insight and also for the amazing resources that you've offered your clients, including me.